Yo everybody, this is Rocco the Great, aka the Toy Bookie, and in today's video, we are going to be going over basically toy photography for beginners. On one of my older videos, I got a comment saying, can you do basically what this video is? And I didn't even think of that because I've been in the craft for so long, since around like 2008, and so I just thought, you know what, that's a great video idea, and let's do it. In today's video, we're going to just be going over some basics of toy photography and how you can get started, and let's just go. Let's just have fun with it. All right. Okay, so what you're going to want to do when you're getting into toy photography is you're going to want to have a lot of cool accessories. Accessories really make a photo pop. Like, see, like this is like a little sink from a Barbie house, and usually wrestling figures have a lot of good accessories like that. Diamond Select, they're a toy company. They make a lot of their figures come with awesome accessories, perfect for toy photography. Look at that, we're probably going to be using this today in today's shot. And really the accessories are maybe the funnest part of toy photography to me and to a lot of people, but you don't really necessarily need this, but I think accessories really make your photos pop. Another thing you're going to want is lots of different types of lighting. Like, lighting, you don't realize it. Lighting is basically your whole shot is lighting. You could even make like not so good camera look like an amazing camera with the right lighting. So you could get a lot of different ones, like the Dollar Tree or dollar stores have a lot of lights for decent prices. I mean, for $1, but decent lights for good prices a lot of the time. Like, I just try and stock up, especially during Christmas time. You're going to want to just get as many lights as you can, or you could just go in there now. They always have a light section where you can get, these ones I believe are from there. And this has like a nice big light thing right there, you know what I mean? Or you could do like a stronger, harsher light, but I like using this one. Alright, so now we have our lighting and our accessories, and now we're going to go up into the diorama and we're going to set up a shot. A nice, simple, fun shot. Let's do it. Alright, so I don't really have anything in mind. I'm thinking something with Voltorb in an alleyway, so we're going to just play around right now. And alright, so if I put this way, alright, hold on. If I put this way, okay, alright. So now the light, I have a light right here, and it is coming in from the side. So here, we're gonna set this up right here. Alright, be patient with me because this is hard with a camera and setting up a diorama piece. So we're gonna, maybe I wanna do something with Voltorb in the alleyway, and alright, we're gonna get some more lights, and let's see what accessories we want to do. We have our accessory bin right here. Definitely love that accessory. Is there yeah, there's probably an old sink in the alleyway. Definitely trash cans. Definitely trash bins. Maybe a chair. Ooh, does he want a boombox? Let's see. Lid. Yeah, we're gonna put a chair in there. A box. We got a nice box. Let's see. Oh, trash bag. Handmade trash bag. I could use a lot more trash bags, actually. Alright, let's see. What else do we got in here? You know what? Maybe I could use this guardrail for something. Ooh. Sewage barrels. Okay. And a wooden crate. Okay, so let's start setting this up. I don't know if you could... Can we get that in there? Okay, let's get this out of the way. Alright. We'll set up the camera to take the picture last, but right now, we're gonna let's set up what we think we want this to look like. Alright. So I think I want him hidden. So we're gonna put maybe the garbage pail in the back. I wish the garbage pail was a different color because that looks, that looks a little bit too much like, alright, let's see. The yellow is nice. I like that yellow. Alright, let's see. Maybe the garbage will be right here. Should that be sticking out of the garbage? Okay. Alright. I don't know if it's picking. Okay, it's starting to come together in the shot. Alright, the garbage is in that. Here, we'll put the box like right next to it. Do we want a sink? The white might poke out a little bit too much. Maybe that'll go right in the front right there. Alright, I don't think we need the chair. I do want a Magnemite, but I don't know where I'm going to put the Magnemite. See, Magnemite doesn't have a stand, and I'm not trying to do some hard posing with my toy photography right now just for this video. See, I could actually put that there. Okay, so here's a tip with toy photography. You're gonna wanna do depth. You're gonna wanna do layers and depth, and then try and focus on the thing you wanna focus on. So, like all this distraction, let's get Pikachu out of there. All the distraction in the front is going to they're gonna blur, and it's gonna make the item in focus look so much cooler. Like, you definitely have to do that. And that was a really quick setup, and I think I'm happy with that. I think we can get some cool, I wish I had another trash bag. I would put the trash bag right inside that sewage crate looking thing. You know what, I'll put the thing upside down, hold on. There we go, let's put this upside down. That looks a lot better. And then maybe Magnemite in a shot I'll put on top of that. Okay, let's see. This is just one of my accessory boxes, so I don't have everything right here. I wanted to just show you guys like how simple it could be to do a setup like this. Now, all right, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to get closer. And let's lower this. All right. Okay, now we see it's a whole different angle, right? Okay, that's looking cool. I might just shoot that right there. Let's see. All right, I just took a photo there. I might want to do a little bit more lighting on this side. So, is that going to be in the shot? No, that's not good. Here, maybe if I hold this into this corner. I have a light in my hand right now. I'm just trying to get better lighting. You know what? I'm gonna put another light right here just to get a different color. All right, let's see. How's that? Did that change anything? No, not really. See, now, this is all lighting. You're gonna wanna do, here, I'll put this box out a little bit. Let's put the box in front of him a little bit more. And let's get this a little bit off of him. All right, let's get lower. Let's see how this looks from an even lower angle. This might be too low. No, you know what? Let's get low. Yeah, there we go. All right. All right, now we're gonna have to move some things around since we have it here. You know what? I'm gonna put the traffic cone up in the front. Let's put the traffic cone somewhere over here with the rocks or bricks. Let's see, how's that look? All right, better. That's looking better. And maybe have a Pikachu right there. There you go, see? Hold on. Alright, let's see. Got. Alright, I just took a picture with Voltorb and focus. Let's work on that. see, I just put more light on Voltorb. Let me close some of the other lights in here. Alright. No, not like it. See, the lighting is everything, and I feel like the lighting is too difficult right now to show you guys for the video. Okay, let's see. If I don't do it so harshly, let's see. How's that look? Alright. Alright. Let's see what else we do. If we take this guardrail away, I think it might, the guardrail isn't, there we go. Oh, much nicer. Alright, that guardrail was bothering me. See, it's also so far away. Here, let's see. I'm gonna put Magnemite in there. Voltorb or Magnemite, some of my favorite Pokemon. Get Pikachu. Maybe Pikachu's going into the door. See, I would zoom this in a little bit. Let's have Pikachu going in the... There it is. Just his tail sticking out. Okay, here we go. Take a picture there. Focus on Voltorb. Alright, it's looking too empty. You know what? We're gonna get a person walking right here. Let's get a person walking. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. And then maybe a person walking right here with the war turtle walking with her. There we go. I'm gonna put a little hat on the war turtle also. Accessories are the funnest part of toy photography. Don't let anybody tell you different. Come on, come on. Usually you're gonna want some sticky tack, but I don't have any sticky tack. How's that look? Does the hat look stupid? Oh, see, too much is going on. Here, I'll put her a little bit over here. You don't want to have too much going on all in the same area, so put her right there. Have him right there. How's that look? Oh, here we go. See, you can see it just comes together. Much, much better. Oh, I'm starting to love this right now. Awesome. You know what? Let's get this guy in a better pose. Maybe he's walking. See, these stupid Marvel Legends figures are... For some reason, this suit body is pretty stiff. At least mine is. It feels like it's a bootleg, but I know it's not because I bought it in a store. I mean, unless someone swapped the bootleg for the... I could even have him like... walking towards the camera. Let's see. Yeah, his foot, man. It's... Let's get... Anyone else have the problem with these Marvel Legends feats? Marvel Legends feet. Maybe he's just leaning on the wall. Alright, let's get the focus off of him. Focus. Alright, not too bad. Another thing that's cool is you could print out posters. I like doing this now. I do a lot of paper stuff. All you need is some basic Photoshop, or if you don't know how to do it, you could just find a way to scale things on your computer. Posters really add a lot to your diorama, and sticky tack or poster tack is very vital. You're gonna want to do that. So right now we're gonna add some posters to this diorama to give it some life. So we have, hold on, we got the Pokemon League right here, and I'm gonna be putting that right here. Okay, you just wanna fill up spaces, you know, like you wanna just, you just wanna fill spaces up so it just looks like lived in. That's what I love to do. Okay, good. I like that. I just like to make the dioramas look lived in. I made this sign. Oh, where are we going? Is it gonna focus? I made this sign out of foam. So, very cool. We're gonna put that Where do we want to put that? Right over there? All right, let's see. Let's hope it stays up. I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Let's see how that looks in focus. I'm not liking that cafe sign. I think it's too out of place. So I'm gonna take that down. Even though that thing's really cool, it's a little bit too 3D for me. You know what? Let's try. Let's take a picture with it. We'll see how we feel about that. All right, let's see. What else can we put up there? I have a bunch of other posters. Here, you know what? I got this Pokemon poster we'll put up there. See how that looks. All right, how's that look? There you go. That just adds enough busyness that I wanted. There we go. That could look. That could work. Huh, now it's not focusing for some reason. Focus, focus. I'm digging this. See, what I like to do is I like to, hold on, maybe I could, this is a little distracting, this yellow thing. Here, how's that look? No? No, I think I messed that up. Alright everybody, so I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you learned a little something. The best part of toy photography is just like having fun with it. You know what I mean? Just go for it, get a bunch of accessories. The lighting could be much better on this photo. I'm gonna actually mess with it after this, but I just wanted to show you guys the basics. Like, you're gonna wanna just have a lot of accessories, a decent diorama, it doesn't have to be crazy, and just have fun with it. That's the main part, is to just have fun of it. Oh my god, I can't speak. But just have fun with it. It's a nice stress reliever. You meet other people that do it. It's fun. It's just like a nice community. So check it out. This Voltorb's looking mad scary in the alleyway. You do not want to run into him. But yeah, I'm gonna mess around with this after I get it off video mode. But thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you learned something, and hopefully I answered that girl's comment. And make sure you guys leave comments, leave suggestions. I'm always looking for video ideas. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribers have been jumping every day. The watch times have been up. Everything's been really awesome, so I really can't thank you guys enough for watching. I'm having a blast. I'm glad I'm on YouTube again. I took too long of a break. I took like years off on YouTube. I shouldn't have done it, but whatever, we're here now. Stop looking in the past, only look forward. And on that note, stay great, guys. We're out of here. Instagram's always down below, @RockTheGreat, @TheToyBookie. Twitter, YouTube, all the things, you know, find me. All right, stay great, guys. We're out of here. Peace. Yo, this is Rock the Great, aka the Toy Bookie, and in today's video, we are gonna be doing Yo, this is Rock the Great, aka set up basics for, no, that's not a good one. We're gonna be doing toy photography for dummies. Okay. Alright, that should be good enough.